Ken from Cyprus has duct distress. Hey, you wrote
It's hard to say. I know. I write these little intros for him, and that's hard. But he doesn't know which way to go. And clean them, replace them, whatever. Ken writes, Absolute Comfort, our Home Show Pro for AC, told him he wouldn't clean them. In fact, they don't clean them. He says the last install was bad and that there were leaks all over and the plenum is rusted, Tom. He recommended replacing them. So Ken wants your advice. Can he clean them instead, or should he replace them?
Never clean. No, especially if they're flex ducts, and I think that's probably what you have. Plenums always get replaced over a period of time because they do get kind of gross and nasty. Usually when you get a new unit, you get a new plenum to go with it. But if it's really bad, and I trust the people at Absolute Comfort Air, I would say you probably will. Replacement's going to be your only option, especially if it's all falling apart and leaks and everything everywhere. It could be very labor-intensive to try to fix it. If it's flex duct, you can't. If it was real metal duct, they probably could, but I don't think we're looking at something like that.
Well, if his plenum is rusted, right, and they're going to have to replace that, isn't that like the the duct work compared to replacing that plenum? I mean, imagine.
Not necessarily. The plenum's pretty easy to replace.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's just that one box.
Okay.
They just have to cut the holes.
It just sounds big and expensive to those of us who don't do that.
No, it's actually easier than crawling through the attic, hauling that duct work all the way down those runs. So it's not a big deal, and it's done all the time.
But go for replacement.
Oh, yeah. The bottom line is you can't clean them. Don't try.
Okay. And if there are things you shouldn't try and you're not sure, just send us a question at HomeShowRadio.com on our website. We'll answer your questions just like these videos, and you might even subscribe to our channel.